Hello students, in this video we are going to see how to solve exercise 3.3 of chapter squares and square roots. In this video we'll see how to find out the square root of different numbers using prime factorization method as well as by repeated subtraction. Fine. So this is for class 8. So let's start with our questions. This is your question number 1 in front of you. So first one is by repeated subtraction of odd numbers starting from 1, find whether the following numbers are perfect squares or not. If the number is perfect square, then find its square root. Fine. So we'll have to do two things in it. First we'll have to find out whether they are perfect squares or not. Then we'll have to find out their square root also. So for that, let's take the first part of it, 121. First part of it, I am taking 121. What we are supposed to do in this repeated subtraction, we are going to subtract odd numbers from it. Like 121 minus 1 will be 120. Now this 120 will come here. 120 minus 3. 1 के बाद odd number आता है 3, so it will be 117. Then this 170 will come here. Now 3 के बाद 5, so it will be 112. So you'll keep on subtracting, then 7, then 9, 11 till you get 0 as the answer. So here it will be 112 minus 7. So what it will be? 105. Then 105 minus 9. So it will be 96. Then 96 minus 11. So it will be 85. Next odd number will be 13. So it will be 85 minus 13. So what we will get here? 72. So every step we are increasing the odd numbers. So this 72 will come here. 72 minus 15 will be 57. Then 57 minus 17. So it will be 40. Fine. Then 40 minus 19. So it will be 21. Then 21 minus 19 के बाद next odd number will be 21. So we have got 0 here. So yes, so you can easily write अगर 0 आता है in the end, yes, it is a perfect square. Fine. Now you will have to find out the square root of 121. So square root of 121 will be, you will count the number of steps here. So how many steps we have taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So square root of 121 is 11. Fine. Same way you have the next one like 55 minus 1 will be 54. Then 54 minus 3 will be 51. Then 51 minus 5 will be 46. Then 46 minus 7 will be 39. 39 minus 9 will be 30. Then 30 minus 11, next 9 के बाद जाएगा वो 11, so it will be 9 and 19, so it will be 19 minus what? So it will be 19 minus 13. 19 minus 13 will be 6. Here 6 will come and 6 minus 15 will be minus 9. Fine. So minus 9 will come here if you will subtract it. So at the end, in any case, we are not getting the 0. So that means no, it is not a perfect square. Fine. So if 0 is coming, it will be a perfect square in the end. You'll keep on subtracting all the odd numbers starting from 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Fine. Till you get 0 in the end. If 0 is coming, like here you can see 0 was coming. So it was a perfect square. And the number of steps, that will be the square root. And if 0 is not coming, like here negative sign has come, so it is not a perfect square, so easily you can find out. Fine. So rest two questions of this question number 1 you are going to do by yourself the same way. Fine. Now is the next question. Find the square roots of the following numbers by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method, it's like you will have to do the prime factorization of these numbers. Like first part I am taking 784. Make this, so as 4 is at the end one's place, so it will be divisible by 2. So what will get, 3 ja 9 ja 18, 2. Next will be again 2, even number hai, 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18, 6 ja again even number, so it will be divisible by 2, 2 9 ja 18, 2 8 ja 16, again 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 9 ja, now 7 7 ja and 7 1 ja. Fine. So the prime factorization of 784 will be 2 multiplied by 2. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. So 2 and 2 and 7 and 7. So now make the pairs of numbers. Fine. Choose any one number out of them. Out of the pair, you will have to choose one. So it will be 2 from this one, one more 2, from this one, 7. So it will be 4, 2 2 ja 4 and 7 4 ja 28. So square root of 784 is 28. That's how you are going to find the square root of the number. Now the second part of it, 441. So 441, it will be divisible by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12, 3 7 ja again 3. So it will be 3 4 ja 12, 3 9 ja 27, again 7, 7 7 ja and 7 1 ja. We'll keep on dividing till we get 1 in the end. Fine. So how you can write the square root of 441? Make the pairs. I am making the pairs here only now. So out of this 3, I am taking 1. Out of these pair of 7, I will be taking 1 7. So it is 21. So square root of 441 is 21. So you have to find out the square root of the numbers using prime factorization method. Now the third part of it, which is 1849. So by what number it is going to be divisible? It is divisible by 43. So 43, और इसको आप 43 से डिवाइड करोगे तो you'll get 43 itself. Again 43 and 1. तो square root of 1849 will be, अब ये pair है, you will choose one out of that, so it will be 43. So square root of 1849 is 43 only. Fine. So that was your third part. Now the fourth part of it, 4, 3, 5 and 6. Go for the prime factorization of it. Even number hai, so it will be divisible by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14, 2 8 ja again 2 1 ja 2, 0, 8 ja 9. Then 1 0 8 9, it will be divisible by 3. 3 3 ja 9, 18, 3 6 ja 18 and 3 3 ja 9. Again by 3, 1 2 1 and 121 is divisible by 11, again 11 and 1. Fine. So make the pairs 2 and this. So what we can write, square root of 4356 will be 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 11. Choose 2, then 3 and 11. One number out of the pair. Fine. So if you will multiply, then what you will get? 3 to the 6, so it will be 66. 66 will be the square root of 4356. Now is fifth part of it. So it is 6241. Now by what number it will be divisible? It will be divisible by 79. आपको ये करके देखना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ये 2, 3 किसी पर भी डिवाइड नहीं होता है. You'll keep on trial and error method से when you'll start doing na, you will get it. So it will be 79 here and 79 1 ja. So pair will be, so it will be 6241 and it will be 79 only. Right? That was fifth part of it. Now is sixth part. 8, 8, 3 and 6 even number hai, so it will be divisible by 2. 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja and 2 8 ja 16. Again 2, 2 2 ja, 2 2 ja 0 and 2 9. Now by what number it will be divisible? It will be divisible by 47. And what you will get? 47 only. So 47 and 1. So make the pair. So square root of 8, 8, 3, 6 will be 2 multiplied by 47, which is 7 2 ja 14, 1, 94. Fine. Next one, 8, 2, 8, 1. So it will be divisible by, अब यहाँ पे देखो, it's a big number. It is not divisible by 2, 3, even 4 because it's odd number, 5, 6. So we'll keep on checking. Fine. So I find it is divisible by 91. If you divide it by 91, you will get the same number. Fine. So square root of 8281 will be 91. So what you can do in such questions where you are not finding it, so you can do like if I do the, अब 90 अगर मैं लेती हूँ, 90 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा? स्क्वायर ऑफ 90 इट विल बी 8100. सो समवेयर अराउंड इट. ये क्या है? 8281. ठीक है ना? सो जो इसके आसपास आपको लगता है आप उसका स्क्वायर करके देखो. फिर 90 का मुझे पता चल गया कि ये 90 के आसपास होगा कोई, देन आई विल गो फॉर 91, 92 so that I'll find the number easily. Now I'll be taking the last part of it. 9025. Again it is divisible by 5. I can see 5 is there at one's place. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 8 ja 40, 0, 5. Again 5, 5 3 ja 15, 6, 1. Then by what number is it will be divisible? We know that 19 90 ja 19 multiplied by 19 is 361. So 19 and 1. So make the pairs. Fine. So square root of 9025 will be 5 multiplied by 19. 19 5 ja 95. So 95 will be your answer here in this case. Fine. Now we will see how to find out the square root of a fractional number. Now you can see we have mixed fractions here. First we will have to convert them in improper fraction for finding out their square root. So 9 multiplied by 121 plus 67 upon 121. So इसको आप solve करोगे, 9 multiplied by 121, इसको multiply करेंगे पहले and then we will add 67 to it. We will get 1156 upon 121. Fine. Now we'll find out the prime factorization of both the numbers. अब 121 को तो हमें पता ही है, we can write it as 11 multiplied by 11. So 1156 का हम prime factorization के लिए जाएंगे. So it will be 2 5 ja 10, 2 7 ja and 8 ja 16. Again 2. So it will be 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16, 2 9 ja 18. Then it will go 289. So 17 17 ja 17 1 ja. Fine. So what we can write, 1156 will be equal to 2 multiplied by 2 and 17 multiplied by 17. So we can write it as, अब इसमें से हम अगर इसका स्क्वायर रूट हमें चाहिए इसको, ठीक है ना, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, विल हैव टू टेक द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1156 एंड 121. सो इसको हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, रूट ऑफ, देखो 17 टू जा 34, सो 17 टू जा 34, 34 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 34 लिख सकते हैं अगर हम इन दोनों को, इसका पेयर बनाते हैं इसका, ठीक है। सो इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 34 का स्क्वायर और इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 11 स्क्वायर. सो स्क्वायर रूट क्या होगा, you'll have to find out the square root of it. So स्क्वायर रूट इसका क्या हो जाएगा, 34 अपॉन 11, ठीक है ना. 17 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 36 प्लस 13 upon 36. Fine. So 17 multiplied by 36 will be 625 upon 36. Fine. So अगर हम 625 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करते हैं, so what we will get, 5, 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10, 5 जा again 5, 5 5 जा, so 6 25, इसका पेयर, इसका पेयर, so it will be 5 5 जा, we can write it as 625 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, 25 का स्क्वायर. फाइन. और 36 को क्या लिख सकते हैं हम, 6 स्क्वायर. फाइन. सो we'll have to find out the square root of 625 upon 36. तो वो क्या हो जाएगा हमारे पास, it will be, अब 25, इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं हम, 25 का स्क्वायर और इसको 6 का स्क्वायर. सो टेक 1 आउट ऑफ दैट, 25 अपॉन 6. इसको आप मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में भी लिख सकते हो if you want. So it will be 4 1 upon 6. 4 1 upon 6 if you want to write it in mixed fraction. 1.96 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, 196 upon 100. Fine. So go for the prime factorization of 196. So 196 upon 100 will be equal to, अब 196 क्या होता है, 14 multiplied by 14 and 100, 10 multiplied by 10. So choose one for them. If you want to find out the square root of 196 upon 100, choose one out of them, 14, and one out of them, 10. Fine. So it will be 1.4. Similarly, it will be 64 upon 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it will be 8 multiplied by 8 and it will be 100 multiplied by 100. So if you want to find out the square root of 64 upon 10,000, so it will be, choose one, it will be 8 and 100 में से भी एक 100, so it will be 0.08. Fine, that's how you are going to do this question. Easy? Okay, let's move further. For each of the following numbers, find the smallest natural number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the number so obtained. Fine. So हमें दो काम करने हैं, एक तो ऐसा नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है कि जिससे अगर हम इस नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करें तो वो एक बन जाए परफेक्ट स्क्वायर और उसका स्क्वायर रूट भी निकालना है. सो कैसे करते हैं ऐसे क्वेश्चन को, सबसे पहले तो हमें चेक करना है कि ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है कि नहीं है. सो उसके लिए हमें करनी पड़ेगी प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. 2 2 जा 4, 9 जा 18 and 2 4 जा 8. Again 2, 1 4 7. Then it will go by 7, 7 2 जा 14, 7 1 जा 7. Again 7, 7 3 जा 21 and again 3 1. अब देखो इसका पेयर है, इसका पेयर है, किसका पेयर नहीं है, 3 का. दैट मीन्स हमें 3 का भी पेयर बनाना पड़ेगा. So 588 should be multiplied by, it should be multiplied by 3 to make it a perfect square. ठीक है ना, परफेक्ट स्क्वायर तभी बनेगा जब हम इसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो 588 multiplied by 3 will be 3 ja 24, 2 here, 24 plus 2 26, 2 5 3 ja 15, 16, 17. So हम 3 से इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो we will get 1764. और इसका अगर हम स्क्वायर रूट निकालते हैं, अगेन गो फॉर द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. 1764, it will go by 2, so it will be 2 8 ja 16, 2 8 ja 2 ja, again 2, 4 4 1. Now we can divide it by 7, 7 7 6 ja 42 and 7 3 ja, then again 7 7 9 ja 63. Now 3 3, again 3 and 1. So make the pairs. Pairing हो गई हमारी. So square root of 1764 will be equal to 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3. Choose one out of them. So it will be 3 to just 6 and it will be 42. So 42 हमारा आंसर आएगा इस केस में. तो दो आंसर आ गए, एक तो 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा और जो नंबर आएगा उसका स्क्वायर रूट जो आएगा दैट विल बी 42. Second part is very easy. You will do it by yourself. I'll be taking the third part. Again 2178. So by what number it will go? By 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 0, 2 8 ja 16, 2 9 ja 18. Now it is not divisible by 2, so we'll take 3, 3 3 ja 9, 3 6 ja 18, 3, again 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 1 और 121 जो होता है 11 से डिविजिबल होता है and 1. So 11 का भी पेयर है, 3 का पेयर है, किसका पेयर नहीं है? 2 का. So it should be multiplied by 2 to get a perfect square. So it will be 2178 को अगर हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे what will get? 8 2 ja 16, 1, 7 2 ja 14, 15, 1 and it will be 3 and 4. Fine. Now if you find out the square root of it, what you will get? It will be 2178. So it will be divisible by 2. 2 1 ja 2. Oh sorry. So it is 4 3 5 6. It is divisible by 2. 2 2 ja 4. 2 1 ja 2. 7 ja 14 and 8 ja 16. Again वो देखो अब सेम नंबर आ गया है. Again it will go by 2. So it will be 1089. Then 3 we will get 363. Again 3 we will get 121. Same here. Again we'll go for 11 11 and 11 and 1. Fine. So that's how we are done the prime factorization of this number. Now we want to find out the square root of it. So square root of 4 3 5 6 will be equal to, make the pairs 2 3 and 11. So it will be 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 11. We'll choose one out of each pair, one number out of each pair. ठीक है ना. So it will be 3 2 ja 6 and 11 6 ja 66. So square root of 4356 will be 66. Fine. The same way you can do the other questions also. Fine. So you'll do it by yourself. I'll be moving to the next question now. Now the fifth part of it. For each of the following numbers, find the smallest natural number by which it should be divided. जो last question था, it should be divided. So जो last question था उसमें हमें multiply करना था, यहाँ पे divide करना है and find the square root of the number obtained. So let's do first वही method है. 1872. Go for its prime factorization. 2 9 ja, 3 ja 6, 6 again 2, 4 ja 8, 2 6 ja 12, 8 again 2, 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja and 2 4 ja again 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 7 ja 1 1 7 आपके पास आ गया. Now it will be divisible by 3, 3 3 ja 9 and 3 9 ja again 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9 और then 13, 1 ja 13. तो पेयर किसका है? इसका पेयर है, इसका पेयर है, इसका पेयर है. किसका पेयर नहीं है? 13 का. सो दैट मीन्स नंबर शुड बी डिवाइडेड बाय, किससे डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा हमें? डिवाइडेड बाय 13. सो इसको अगर हम 13 से डिवाइड करते हैं, व्हाट वी विल गेट? लेट्स सी. 1872 divided by 13. So 13 1 ja 13. So it will be 5. 13 4 ja 52. So it will be 5. Again 2 will come down and 4 ja 52 0. So what we will get? 144. So 144 को प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे तो 2 7 जा again 2, 2 3 ja 6 again 2, 1 8, now 2 9, then 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja 3. So pairing करेंगे. So square root of 144 will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So it will be 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. 144 का जो square root होगा that will be 12 here in this case. Fine. Now the second part of it, which is 2592. Go for the prime factorization. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 9 ja 18 and 2 6 ja 12. Then again 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8, 2 8 ja again 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 ja and 4 again 2, 2 1 ja 2, 6 and 2, then 2, 8 and 1. Now it will be divisible by 3. So what will get? 3 2 ja 6, 3 7 ja again 3, 3 9 ja again 3 and 3 1 ja 3. So let's make the pairs. There is no pair for these two, this pair and this pair. So it should be divided by 2. So it should be divided by 2. Fine. So let's divide it by 2. 2 5 9 2 divided by 2. So what we will get here? 2 1 ja 2, then 2 2 ja 4, 9 and 6. 1 9 1 2 9 6. 1 2 9 6 को प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करोगे तो सेम आएगा यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक. So it will be 2 648, then 2 324, again 2 162, then 2, ठीक है ना. So it will be 81, then 3 3 2 ja 6, 3 7 ja again 3, 9 again 3, 3 and 1. Fine. So make the pairs. So what you can get from here? So square root of 1296 will be equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. ये इसमें से एक 2 चूज किया, इसमें से एक 2, then 3 and 3. So 3 3 ja 9 and 9 4 ja 36. So these are the two answers here in this case. Fine. So that was your second part of it. The same way you can do the other parts also. Fine. In this question, in this part, in fourth part, Fine. They have given you the question 16244, but the answer is according to 16224. So if you'll solve 16224, this one, इसको आप solve करोगे तो आपका आंसर सही आएगा. The same way you go for the prime factorization of 16224 की prime factorization करो. एक ऐसा नंबर आएगा जिसका आपको पेयर नहीं मिलेगा. Fine. So accordingly you can find out by which number it should be divided. Fine. So you'll get the answer accordingly if you'll take 16224. Fine. So I'll be taking now the last part of it. I'm leaving it for you. So last part of it is 61347. Fine. Go for the prime factorization of this number. So what we will get here, it will be divisible by 3, 3 to just 6, 0, 4 just 12, fine, and again 4 just 12 and 9. Then by which number it is divisible? 3 से तो नहीं हो रहा है, 4, 5, 11, okay, 11, 11 1 जा 11, 11 8 जा 88, 11 5 जा 55 and 11 9 जा. Again 11, so what we will get 169 और 169 तो पता ही है आपको, it is the square of 13, so it is 13 and 1, तो 13 का पेयर हो गया, 13 का पेयर बन गया, 11 का पेयर हो गया, किसका पेयर नहीं है यहाँ पर, 3 का, so it should be divided by 3. So इसको 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे, 61347 को अगर हम 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे, what will get, 3 2 just 6, 0 4 4 9, और इसका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ये है आपके सामने. फाइन. सो यू कैन इजीली फाइंड आउट द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ दिस. ये आप लिखेंगे एंड स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 20449 विल बी, ये जो पेयर बने हैं 11 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 13, 11 और 13 को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो क्या आएगा, 11 3 जा 33, 3 and 11 plus 3 is 14. So 143 will be your answer. So एक आंसर आपका ये है, एक ये है. Fine. So you can write here 20449 and you will do the whole prime factorization like this. Fine. So that was your fifth part of it. Fine. Fourth and third part you are going to do by yourself. If you have any problem, you will put it in the comment box. Now sixth question. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the following number. हर किसी से वो होगा. फाइन. सो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में फर्स्ट सबसे पहले तो हमें फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा ये जो नंबर्स हैं ये किस से डिविजिबल होंगे. सो स्मॉलेस्ट है तो ऐसे केसेस में वी यूज टू फाइंड आउट द एलसीएम. सो आपको पता है एलसीएम कैसे निकालते हैं. सो इट विल बी 3, 6, 10 एंड 15. सो ये किस पे होगा, 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, 10 will be the same, 3 5 ja. Now it will be divisible by 5, 1 2, 5 2 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5. Now it will be divisible by 2, so it will be 1 1 1 and 1. Fine. So what will be its LCM? LCM will be 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2, so it is 30. यानी कि ये तीनों नंबर या तो 30 से डिविजिबल है. फाइन. हम उसने पूछा बाय विच नंबर दे आर डिविजिबल. सो ये 30 से डिविजिबल है, बट 30 जो है वो एक स्क्वायर नंबर नहीं है. सो ऐसा स्क्वायर नंबर जो, बिकॉज दे वांट अ स्क्वायर नंबर. 30 तो स्क्वायर नंबर नहीं है ना. 5 5 जा 25, 6 6 जा 36, तो 30 तो स्क्वायर नंबर नहीं है. सो स्क्वायर नंबर विल बी, नंबर क्या होगा 30 के ही टेबल में, it will be 30 multiplied by 30, so it will be 900. 900 comes in the table of 30 only. और ये क्योंकि सारे नंबर 30 से डिविजिबल है तो 900 से भी डेफिनेटली होंगे. Fine. So that's how you can find it out. Same way you can do the other questions also. The LCM of The LCM of 6, 9, 27 and 36 will be 3 से divisible है, 3 2 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9, 9 and 1 and 2. Again it is divisible by 3, so 2, 1, 3 and 3 4 ja 12. Then we can take 2, so it will be 1, 1, 3 and 2. Fine, these two are different, separate. Now 3, 1, 1, 1 and 2. Now we'll keep on doing till we get 1 in the end. So it will be 1, 1, 1, 1. So इसका LCM क्या आएगा? What will be the LCM here? 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. Fine. So 3 3 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18 and 18 3 ja 54 and 54 2 ja 54 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So the number will be, अब ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है which will be divisible by all these number and which is a square number also. अब यहाँ पे इसमें देखो, because it will be in the table of 108, 108 के टेबल में ही होगा वो कोई नंबर. अब यहाँ पे देखो किस किस का पेयर है. यहाँ पे 3 का पेयर है, 2 का भी पेयर है, तो किसका पेयर नहीं है? 3 का है ना. So what we will do, will multiply 108 by 3, so it will be 324. So 324 जो है एक स्क्वायर नंबर है, divisible by 6, 9, 27 and 36 also. Fine. So we have, यहाँ पर तो देखो किसी का भी पेयर नहीं था, इस क्वेश्चन में किसी का भी पेयर नहीं था, इसीलिए हमने 30 को 30 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. लेकिन यहाँ पर बाकी नंबर्स जिनका पेयर था उनको छोड़ दिया हमने. Only we have taken 3 because उसका पेयर नहीं था. So we have multiplied 108 by 3 to get a perfect square. So 324 is a number which is which will be divisible by 6, 9, 27 and 36. Now the third part of it, again first you are going to find out the LCM. 4, 7, 8 and 16 here. Fine. So it will be by 2, 2 ja 7, 4 and 2 8 ja 16. Then by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 7 will be the same, 2 and 4, again 2, 1, 7, 1, 2, again 2, 1, 7, 1, 1 and in the end we have 7, 1, 1, 1, 1. So इसका LCM क्या आएगा? Multiplication of all these numbers, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. So multiply करेंगे हम इन सभी numbers को. What will get? 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16 multiplied by 7 and 16 multiplied by 7 will be 112. Fine. अब इसमें देखो 2 का पेयर है, इसका पेयर है, किसका पेयर नहीं है? 7 का. सो टू मेक इट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, क्योंकि वो जो नंबर इनको डिवाइड, ऐसा नंबर जो इन सबसे डिवाइड होगा, दैट विल बी इन द टेबल ऑफ 112. सो नंबर विल बी, नंबर क्या आएगा हमारे पास? will multiply 112 by 7. So what we will get? 7 2 ja 14, 1 here, 8 and 7. 784 will be the answer here in this case.